Hi everybody, my name is Hannah and this is Pepper and Pine, and I have a real-time homeschooling lesson to share with you today. We are working through this kit by Nature Watch called Rock-O-Rama, and this is the classroom kit. So it comes with all the materials for 25 students and it's awesome. This one comes packed. Alright, so the first thing, it comes with some additional information if you want to do any STEM activities. I think this is what it's for. Yep. And then this is the bulk of the information and just the background information that a teacher can use in order to deliver these lessons. But what I also really like, and you can see this little note to instructor, is that it's written in a way that you could read this aloud to your students and it wouldn't be like too difficult to understand or be too technical. It's written in a really great way that's both easy to understand, or you can read it ahead of time and then just present the lesson to your students. And then this one's a little different than some of the other kits I've gotten from Nature Watch. Here are a variety of different projects that you can do with the materials that are included in this kit. And then in the back here it has this rock classification chart that you can have the students copy, or you can draw illustrations to represent each of the different kinds of rocks. All right, so let me show you what comes inside. Now I want to say that we did already use this kit a little bit, but for the most part, because it comes so packed, there's still like a ton of materials for us to use. We've already opened it up in order to get some rock samples for an excavation kit that we did. So this would be a nice way to introduce the different rocks. There are many ways that are suggested in the kit, but if you wanted to add an excavation kit to this whole experience, then you could do that, and it comes with 3 different rocks and then it comes with some minerals as well. So I'm going to set those aside for now, and I'm going to show you the rest of the stuff that's in this kit. Ooh, that's nice. I'm going to show you. We're not quite there yet. And then it just has this little card that tells you, or that just shows you what this kit is about. It has these cards that you can glue your different rock samples on, and then you can write the student's name. It's intended for the classroom, and so there are enough for a classroom, 25 students. And then it also comes with little bags to keep all your samples in. I really like those details because even if you are not a classroom, like if you're a co-op, a homeschool co-op, and you decide to get this for your co-op, then it's mindful of getting everything together that you're going to need so that you don't need any additional resources and that your students can get their projects home safely. So I really like that. All right, so I want to show you the project that we did, our excavation kit. So we made this a couple of months ago, actually, and we enclosed it in the bag, and you can see that the card got moist because this wasn't quite done setting. Yeah, it's still moist. It's kind of neat because this was still releasing a lot of moisture, which means if we decide to excavate it now, it's going to be a little bit easier to excavate versus one that had been drying out for a period of time. So if you want to try this excavation project, you can just see how easily this scratches here, and it's just easy to excavate. If you want to try this, then I would recommend that if you had younger students, go ahead and set this, and then within a day you can start excavating it. The longer you wait, the harder it is to excavate. So I'm going to set this aside. We're going to do this as part of today's project. Also comes with some glue. I'm gonna put this aside and show you the other materials that it comes with. Okay. It comes with a really nice laminated pamphlet on geology. It shows you the different rocks and minerals and where you can find them. This is really, really nice quality. It also comes with a Peterson's Guide to Rocks and Minerals. And though there are a lot of pictures in here that look really nice, I feel like this information's a little bit advanced for this kit. However, the first maybe 30 or 40 or 50 pages has some really great information.
Volcano.
Yeah, you saw that? Had a volcano in there. Had some really great information that kind of familiarizes you as a teacher, as a parent, with the information that you can then use during your presentation, or just use as background information, or just to talk about that might be interesting when you're actually going through these different rocks. So I got distracted and started reading that while the kids were playing. It was really great. It also comes with a really nice assortment of rock samples. It is, and I actually want to talk about that, so I'm glad that you brought that up. I want to talk about that because would you mind getting me our other rock samples by any chance? They're in the schoolroom. Would you mind bringing me the ones that are in a box? These samples are really nice because they are just any of them, the sedimentary or the other ones. If you could bring me the box, then I can show the difference. This rock sample, as basic as it is actually really nice for a couple of reasons. The first thing is that all of the samples are glued on. They're not going anywhere. The second thing is that you get all 3 kinds of rocks on one card, and it's really not that big, so these are nice samples. The reason why I like this, because they're all glued on, is because the alternative, and which are really great as well, we have a number of these, but these trays, and we also made some, you're right. These samples are in a tray with numbers on them, which the first thing is that they can get lost, and the second thing is that the numbers can come off, and then you'll have a hard time identifying which rock was what. But for these ones, because they're all glued on and the names are right here, it makes it really easy to use this in an educational format because they're all here. You can touch them, you can see the names, and you can identify them as what type of rock they are. So I'm going to let you look at that. This is a basic mineral testing kit. It comes with a variety of samples here, and then it comes with the materials that you need in order to test the hardness and then just the type of mineral that it is.
It's like our tile.
Yes, it does look like that. So I think, sure, go ahead, look at that. I think that we are supposed to fill this up with vinegar. So I'm going to go grab that. All right, so I filled this up with some vinegar. I got a couple of dishes here. We're going to go ahead and examine these specimens first. So we have a couple of magnifying glasses here, and we have a couple of things to look for based on color and luster. So we're going to look at them first, and then we're going to test the hardness after that.
So this is in like the hardness scale, this would be a 5 and this would be a 6.
So the nail is a 5 and the glass is a 6?
Yeah. And then, so the nail is perfectly fine right here at the tip. It's perfectly fine.
Mm-hmm.
And then eat this. Whoops. And you can kind of see there's a scratch right there.
Yeah, that is so cool.
And this is probably sandstone. No, this is not sandstone. Whoa, what is that?
See if it's magnetic.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, no way.
Oh. I'm really looking forward to that part. Okay. It looks like a hot mineral. You can test by putting it on a black or white thing. So
I need
probably see better on black.
Okay, so can I ask you, since we have a magnet, and we can run again another one too. Let's put all of let's put all of the rocks that are attracted to magnets in this dish, and all the ones that are not in the other dish. Can we do that? Do you have the magnet?
No, that's not a magnet.
This is not okay.
Is it? Let me see. Can I try? No.
Yeah, this is
wow.
good.
Wow, that is really strong.
Is that magnetic?
No.
This one doesn't.
Not magnetic. I think it's magnetic. No, it's not. None of these are magnetic.
Okay, so then, so 3 are attracted to magnets, and all the rest of these are not. That's great. So we did that part. Now let's go look at the color. So there's different ways to categorize the color, and you have metallic. And so let's look at ones that have some metallic qualities to them. Which ones?
What's that mean?
They shine like a metal.
Like this.
Yeah, I think that one shines like a metal. Let's see. You can also look with your magnifying glass, and you can see little specks that shine.
Oh yeah, they glitter. Kind of.
Yeah. Anything else?
This is that flour.
Let's see. No, it's not flour.
It looks like flour.
And
Oops, a lot.
I don't think that one is metallic.
This one glitters.
That one has some metallic qualities to it.
Yeah. This one too.
This one, no.
And I think luster. I mean, I think there's like a shiny, pearly to earthy, pearly to greasy.
This one has a
This
magnet.
one has a really nice shine to it. Really nice, pretty
These two
shine.
do.
I think I know what.
These two do.
Yeah. Do you know what this one is? Because I think I know what this one is.
No.
You don't know this one?
No.
Okay, I'm going to tell you this one. This is mica. And this is one of the components of what kind of rock?
Granite.
Granite, yeah. Granite has mica in it. Okay, so the other characteristic is vitreous, which is has like a glassy look to it.
That one? This one?
I think I would. Oh, this one?
Oh, yeah, and
Does this one seem? Does this one seem glossy? I don't think this one seems glossy. I think this one seems glossy. This one seems glossy too. So these two seem glossy. All right. So next we're going to do the hardness scale. Oh, you took that apart already. Let's keep that one.
Mica. I mean, there's no mica.
So let's put this aside for a minute, and we are going to start doing the hardness experiment. So the first thing you want to do. It's on the back of this, actually. For this next part, we are going to test the hardness of these minerals with the materials that they included. So we have a nail.
A copper penny, which is 3 on the hardness scale. It's number 3. A nail, which is number 5. That's not.
And a piece of glass, which is number 6. And your fingernail, if you can scratch it with your fingernail, then it is
less than 2.5.
Okay, and so let's try scratching if we can scratch any of these with our fingernail, then the mineral will be less than 2.5. So can you scratch any of these? All right.
I think you can scratch this one, yeah?
Let's see that one. I don't feel like I can scratch that one, but maybe...
I don't have...
Oh, here we go.
You see?
Try this one. Go ahead, try this one.
What's 2?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. So go ahead, try that.
That is either...
So that's probably
I'm pretty
talc.
sure that's just gyps.
I think that's talc. Talc is the softest one, and it can be scratched with your fingernail.
This looks like talc.
I don't see that they included a diamond.
Diamond?
I think they would.
They did not include a diamond.
Or granite? We already know granite.
All right, so let's go on to using a copper penny.
Wait,
so we can use
this one you can scratch.
Well, then it's harder than your fingernail. So you can go ahead and use the copper penny and try to scratch some of the other. Okay.
There's a copper penny. Can I see the copper? Can I see the penny?
You can also use the nail. The nail is a number 6. It's 5. 5. And we can use the glass too. So if the glass can scratch it.
This scratches.
Oh yeah, this one. Oh well, we already established that this is talc, right? So of course it scratches.
No, this isn't talc. I'm pretty sure this is talc.
This one scratches.
Oh, nice.
So this is 5. So this is probably
Wait, can you
calcite. I think this is calcite.
Do you want me to try this one? Oh, nice work. Yeah, you're right. This
think this
does
is
scratch this
calcite.
one.
I think this is calcite.
Okay.
Because you can't scratch it with your fingernail. But let me see that. Let me see that.
All right, what else
I
is
need
there?
glass. Where's the glass?
The glass is right here.
That's 6.
Is this plastic? It doesn't feel like glass.
It's glass.
It doesn't feel like glass.
This, you can't scratch with your fingernail. But you can with the nail.
Oh.
So fluorite has a greenish color.
It may have a greenish color, yeah.
Oh, it might be this then.
Oh, uh-oh.
I got a piece out.
Oh, you certainly did. We're gonna have to be careful about
Of
that.
glass or
Yeah, you got a little piece of glass out, so that needs to be thrown out, and that could create a sharp edge. So this
That's hard to
actually
fix.
scratched and broke
Quartz,
the
probably. No.
glass. All right, so we're gonna continue working on this, and we're gonna set them up in order of hardness. Yeah.
The weight on this feels like the weight that a volcano would take to erupt.
Really? All right, so this is actually talc.
Like, it feels like it's pushing it down like a volcano would.
And this one is gypsum or alabaster. So I was wrong to begin with, but have concluded that this one is probably talc.
Can I see the penny?
The penny is here. And this one is gypsum.
Is there any...
And we have mica here.
This is nice.
We need something that is...
You can use your nail.
let's see. Calcite. Which one is the calcite? Did we think it was either this one or this one?
I think that was the
You're
fluorite.
mixing up the ones that are.
Okay.
You're mixing up the ones that
Oh, wait, those were in order, sweetheart. These ones were in order for hardness. Now we're measuring hardness. All right, so we have magnetite, which is iron, black, and metallic.
What are we doing?
We're putting them in order. And you found this one?
Metallic.
Oh, good. Okay, so let's stick that one here, because that one is a 6. So
Yeah,
if
but I
it's a
found that
6, can it be scratched by this?
This can work.
No.
Oh, it does scratch.
This is
So
magnet.
this is not. So this is 6 or less.
This is magnet.
Okay, so we have
No,
another
'cause
one
that's
that's
5.
magnetic.
That's 5.
Oh, you said this is 5?
This is 5. That's 6.
Oh, but it's scratching it. And here it says that it's a 6. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Maybe it's hematite.
Right.
That was the other one that was magnet.
Can I see this for a
Red,
minute?
brown, black. Yeah,
Okay.
That's it.
So which one is the one that's red-brown? Oh, this is hematite, because this is
Yeah, that's hematite.
iron
It's
black. This might be hematite. This might be
What is
magnetite. No, baby, on this side, sweetheart. And then we have this one. This one feels hard. Let's see, and it's not metallic, so let's see how hard that one is.
What is this?
Can I help by chipping? I want to help chipping here.
Can I see this, please?
Can I help chipping?
Oh, wow. This is stronger than...
Right, so we're back doing this project. We've had about a 2-week break. We've actually finished out the majority of the lessons for our mineralogy unit, but we want to come back and finish out this particular project because we didn't do one of the more exciting parts, and that is to glue each of the rock samples onto this little paper. And I think, you know what? We probably should double it. I think it'll be better if we double it.
Double what?
So that it's nice and sturdy, you think, or no? Just single? They're already pretty sturdy to begin with. I've also heated up my glue gun so that we can use the... Well, you can do either. Actually, you know, I think the glue gun will be better, though. All right, so let's test these ones out, because we actually had them in order before for the hardness. Did you want to go back and do that, or not really? We tested all of them for their hardness, and we had them in order. But now we're going to go back and test them for... We're going to test them for vinegar. Okay, so chemical tests can be performed on minerals as well in a vinegar solution, which we already have in here. Some minerals will fizz. Use the dropper bottle for this purpose. Okay. Should I get another little dish? Actually, you know what? Let me take these ones out of here. And you can start... You can actually do 2 at a time. Does that sound good? Oh, but you know what? We should probably have identified them. Do you want to start?
Sure.
Yeah. Yep, go ahead. I'm trying to remember what this... Is it strong? Okay, go ahead. Let me get that closer. Hold on a second. Well, maybe put more on it. Actually, maybe, well, I don't know, actually. So that one's not fizzing at all, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow, that is a strong odor. How about this one?
No.
Are those little bubbles?
I don't think so.
No? Can you put more just to be sure? Okay. So let's try another 2. You can just, you can just keep these rocks in here. Yeah, move them to the side. So you have another 2 in there. No fizzing? Kind of a little bit hard to tell.
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay. Keep it going. You can also listen for the fizz too. If we're really quiet, we might be able to hear it. Anything?
No.
Nope. Alright, let's move on. We only have about 4 more. That's the mica. I don't know what that is, but that definitely has some shiny metallic luster in it. Nothing? Okay.
I think we hear something.
Oh.
Metallic and whatever this one is.
Something that's magnetic, or attracts the magnet. Oh, I really thought that one would have bubbles.
Oh, that one, no.
Maybe they need to be submerged in the vinegar.
Should I just do that?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead and just do the rest of it, and see if we have enough to do this one as well.
I hear something.
Well,
We could do it on this.
we could. You could do it on. You could do it on that if you want to, but we'd have to. Well, probably ruin the paper. Well, I really thought maybe we did it wrong.
That one.
Which one? Which one? Which one?
Right. You see?
Oh.
At the very base.
Interesting. Good catch. I did not expect that. I think, you know what? Maybe we need more. Maybe we need more vinegar to get them more submerged so that we could observe that in any of the other ones. I'm actually really surprised. Let's go back and see that one. Do you see more bubbles in it? Or more bubbles being formed?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, look at that. That is really cool. Okay, nice. So let's leave that a little bit longer and see if anything else happens with the other ones. Let's put those aside and let's do the last part of this project. Alright, so we'll put those aside for a little while, and then here is, yeah, I guess we don't need to double the cards. The cards are really thick.
So
and then,
is this for me, or?
no, you can use this one. Do you want me to make one too?
Sure.
Okay, I'll make one too. And, oh, I completely forgot. I really wanted to do this one part of the activity. It's in here. I saw it and I thought this was a great idea. It's one of these. I do not pass it on. Maybe I think it was what it was. Okay, so let me grab 2 of each kind. And basically, if we had your sister or a friend or more people, then this would be a little bit more. Actually, let me move that aside. Yeah, because the other one was just giving me such problems. This is what we do. First of all, actually, I picked them out, but you can choose whichever ones you want. Choose one of each set. And I don't really mind, so I'm just gonna, I mean, if you want to choose a different kind, you can. So this is what we're gonna do. Actually, we'll do it with these 4. I think originally the kit says start with like one type of rock. Each person gets one rock and they observe it, they feel it, they really try to get a good grasp about that particular rock and really look at it from all different angles. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pass it to your right. So we can just trade. And then we look at it again and we really observe it. And then if you have a large enough group and you keep passing it to your right, eventually it makes it back to you. And in that process, you have to be able to identify your rock once it makes it back to you. Or for an added challenge, and I think in order for us to do this, I'm going to add a couple more rocks to the mix. What you can do is put your rock back in, and let's get a few more to make it more challenging, okay? And now we're going to close our eyes. Okay, close your eyes. And you're gonna feel each rock until you can identify yours. Okay, so are your eyes closed? Yeah. Okay, ready? And my eyes are closed. Did you pick one?
Just a random one.
Yeah, pick a random one. Okay, this one's definitely not mine. I'm gonna put this one near you so that you can pick that one. My eyes are closed.
I have one.
Do you have yours?
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
I don't know.
You think it's yours? Okay, hold on. That one's not mine. That one is not mine.
Oh, wait, is that one mine?
I don't know. My eyes are closed. That one's not mine. That one's not mine. Wait, maybe I have yours. Which one's in your hand?
This one.
No, you have mine. Take this one. This one is mine. Yeah, this one is mine.
Okay. Oh, wait, no. Wait, mine is right. I said no.
It's challenging when you have to close your eyes. Okay. I have an idea for the next time we do this. Do you think you found yours?
I think so.
Okay, now let's open our eyes.
Oh, wait, was this? No, it was this one.
That was tough. Okay, and I think that this one was mine.
Was it?
Oh wait, or was this one mine?
Okay, let's try it again.
Yeah, this one's not mine.
Okay, yeah.
This one is
put it back.
This one is mine. Okay. We're gonna do it again?
Just choose a random rock.
Actually, let's make it harder. Let me take out all the small ones because we definitely know that we don't have small ones.
Okay,
and let me grab a couple more big ones. Oh no, choose the same one. Aren't you going to confuse you? Okay, fine. Choose a whole new one. And I'm going to stick with mine that I'm pretty sure this was my original one.
That's easy.
Okay, let me actually make this a little bit closer. Okay, so ready? We're going to try it again. Let's mix them up. Are your eyes closed?
Yeah.
Okay, mine too.
Make sure they all right here.
Okay, so let's start with one. You grab one, and I'll grab one. Do you have one?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm feeling mine, and I know this one's not mine, so whenever you get a chance, we'll switch, and then we'll...
wait a second.
Do you have yours already?
I think this was mine.
Okay, fine, then I will put this one aside, and I'll look for mine. That one's not mine. Nah, this one is mine. Okay, are you ready? Yeah, this one's mine. Is that one yours?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. We did it. Okay, good. So I'm going to hold on to this one because now I'm attached to it. And let's do another one. Let's, we'll vacuum that up later. All right, let's do this. Oh, never mind. Which one do you want to do?
This one.
That one. This is the mineral. Yeah, this is not the rock. So let me grab a few more.
But after, can I take mine?
Oh, you? Yeah. That's the one you want? That's fine. And this one was mine. Yeah. So, wait, but before you mix it up, you have to look at it.
Oh, this one is cool.
And you have to... you can even close your eyes and look at it. I'm sorry. That was...
I don't know.
But close your eyes and feel it.
I did.
It's much cooler than the rock, than the first one that we felt. Okay, this one's smooth. Actually, you know, we probably it's a good time to also compare between the two, especially since the two that we just did, this mineral and the igneous rock, are especially different in their texture and their coolness and their smoothness. Did you want to make any comments on that?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
No? Okay. All right, so I'm pretty familiar with mine. Yeah? Mix it up.
Close your eyes.
My eyes are closed.
Okay.
Did you keep it in the same spot? Because I can't tell.
Okay.
Yeah, it's in the... Okay. Perfect. Ready? So why don't you take one Yeah, this one's definitely not mine. And then we'll switch and then we'll put them aside. That way we'll have a little bit of an easier time sorting through them. Do you have one?
Yeah.
Okay, this one's not mine that I'm holding.
Okay. Oh, that's here.
Okay. Yeah, this one's not mine either. So I'm gonna put it aside, and I'm gonna take another one. This one's not mine either. Do you want to switch?
Huh? Sure. Here.
Yeah, that one's not mine either. Okay. Not mine. Ah, nice big one, but this one's not mine either. Where's yours? Nope, not mine.
Oh, this is mine.
Oh, good job. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me see how many are left. This one is mine.
Okay, 3, 2.
Oh, wait. I want to make sure. Ooh, wait a minute. No, this one might be mine. Hold on. Not mine. Okay, so now I'm stuck between two that could be mine. And I think this one. Wait, no, hold on. Wait a minute. Oh, these are very similar. I think this one might be mine. Okay, let's look.
Oh, this one's mine.
I'm gonna have to rewind the video and double check, but I think this one might be mine. And you're sure? You're not even in camera? There you go.
Because this one has the thing that goes up.
But these two are really similar. I'm gonna put both of them aside just to be sure. Okay, so we are going to do that again for these two.
Talc?
Good question. I have to look because, you know, to be honest, I'm getting a little bit confused. This one was mine. And if you notice that this one actually, you know that candy, that Turkish Delight, almost looks like Turkish Delight. Mine has a bit of a pink hue to it, and yours has a what?
A yellowish thing?
Do you think this is feldspar? No, wait. Feldspar? No, it would not be. I actually don't know. We'll have to look because I don't know. Okay, hold on. I have to close my eyes and feel it. Okay, ready?
Yeah,
I have to mix it up.
Go.
Wait a minute. We're not in frame. Do them right here. Okay. Yep.
Yeah. So what do we do if it's not ours?
This one actually might be mine. Well, let me feel yours. Oh, this one might be mine. Here, you feel this one. And if it's not yours, then I'll hold it again because this one's definitely not mine. I'll take yours back.
Okay.
Good. Okay, and here, take this one.
Both of these aren't mine. Is this mine?
Okay, now I'm stuck between two.
No.
I think this one's mine.
Okay, here.
Okay. I'll put them in. Yeah, just pick because I think I've got mine. And I'll know once I open my eyes and look at it.
I think this is mine. You ready?
Yep.
3, 2,
1, 2, 3.
This is.
Oh, wait a minute. Is it?
Because mine has.
Yeah.
Does yours have the pink? Is this the one? With the
I think.
pinkish string to it?
Yeah. Do it in camera so people can see. I think that one is yours, and I think this one is mine. What is it though?
You said had
Mine had a pinkish hue. I think this is it, especially compared to yours.
Whoa,
Can I?
Look at that.
Yeah, it's kind of cool, huh? Ooh, there's some really nice crystal formations in there. It's a little hard to see. Okay.
Yeah, I think that was yours.
Okay, I think that one's mine. I'm gonna put it aside, and I'm gonna put these.
All right, doing this one.
Back in here. Yeah, so now we're gonna do the last one. I think this is a sedimentary rock, is it? Why is this so difficult all of a sudden? I feel really at a loss. Hold on. Huh. I got one right. Actually, I got 2 right. Actually, I got 3 right. Actually, in that case, I probably got them all right because if you get 3 out of 4, then you can kind of, the last one's obvious. Yeah, these are going to be too many. And actually, I lost the one that I put in here. Do you remember which one mine is? I actually really like this one. I think this one's really pretty. All right, so should we take? Oh, have you already started?
No.
Okay. So let me close my eyes and feel this one. All right. Are you ready?
Right.
So I think there might be too many, but oh well. We'll go for it anyway.
Go.
Okay. Not mine? I'm gonna make a pile for you right
Okay, sure.
here.
I think this is mine.
Ooh, wait, this one might be mine.
I think this is mine, yeah.
We already found ours? Okay, let me just go through the other ones real quick. Not mine, not mine, not mine, not mine, not mine. Alright, I'm just gonna go with this one.
Okay, 3,
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Yes!
Yes, this is mine.
Look how beautiful that is, but nobody can see yours. There you go. Awesome. Okay, great. So now, let me move these here. And, alright. I think I'm just going to go for
Just choose one.
This one. Actually, I'm really attached to my rocks now. Okay. Why don't you put it right up here, and then we can go ahead and glue them down. Let's put ours in the same order that they have theirs. Just because I feel like doing that. There. Okay. And then we got the hot glue. Okay. So I think just about that much, and you can go ahead and do all 4 of yours. And I think that's gonna. Oh, you know what we should have done first is actually label them. Do you want to just glue one and we'll label them first?
Sure, it's supposed to be easier.
I think so. Don't you think it'll be easier to label them first?
Yeah.
Okay, here's a pencil. You want pencil or pen?
Pencil works.
Okay, and here are the words in case. Let's see. I think I'll go ahead and write them towards the top since I already put that one here. Do you want to erase the first letter in igneous? It looks like an E. Do you have? Oh, here's an eraser right here.
It's an I.
Yeah, but it just looks like an E. If you. All right, so we just made it worse. I made it worse. I apologize. Can I get you a new one instead?
No, this works.
Can I get you a new one? We have plenty of new ones.
This works.
Sorry. Alright. I think that we'll go ahead and put this project away, but there is more that you can do with it. But I think for now, since we are at the tail end of our mineralogy block and we want to move on, we'll put this one away, but there is still plenty more to do with it because the kit came with a lot of different projects to do, and it also came with tons of materials. I mean, this was the classroom kit, but still, this would make a great co-op project, or if you are a classroom teacher, this would make a great collection, or if you want to use this year after year and you're a homeschooler, you have a few kids, then this would probably work out really well.
Got a handful and see what I want. Oh, this one looks really good.
Okay, you can go through more of them if you want. Okay, so if you want to check out the other projects that we did for our mineralogy unit, you can tap on the screen right now. I also left the playlist for our geology unit that we did the previous year. And if you want to see what we're up to on a daily basis, you can find me on Instagram at Pepper and Pine.